No, there's two cameras. All the answers, two cameras.
Yeah?
Oh, one camera.
Really?
Yeah.
So how many eyes do I have?
Two.
Oh, okay.
It's better than my father.
How many heads does Mommy have?
One.
All right.
Did I hear Chatty Cathy already?
Oh my.
My name is Christine, not
Chatty
Christina.
Christine.
That's not my name, Christine.
Christiana.
Christiana?
Yeah.
Chatty Christiana?
Are you Chatty Christiana?
No.
Yes.
Chatty?
I'm surprised she's already.
Christiana Jocelyn Scrapper. That's my whole name.
Say that again?
Christiana Jocelyn Scrapper. And your name has a Scrapper and your name has a Scrapper
Oh yeah.
and Connor has a Scrapper and but really miss him.
Can you spell that name?
No.
Me neither.
Spell Conrad.
I don't even think I could say it.
Spell what?
Your name.
My name?
Your name.
Oh yeah, I can spell my name.
The whole name.
Oh, I think I can spell. Oh.
I asked her when they were getting ready to give her the medicine. She said, do you want to do your alphabet with me? I said, let's play a game. No. Fine.
I want to sit up.
Hold on.
Slow that now.
Oh yeah.
Well, you keep squirming around. You were sitting up, but you keep moving around.
Mommy, can you make it so I can sit up?
You need to lay still, honey.